Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to delete sent message on Telegram, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete sent message on Telegram, first open up a Telegram app, and after opening a Telegram app, guys, open up the chat box of the person on which you want to delete your sent message, guys. After opening it, guys, you can see I sent a lot of messages. Now in order to delete that message, guys, just tap and hold on it, and the moment you tap and hold on that message, you can see the green tick mark appear at the left side, and the dumpster icon is available for us at the top right corner. So let's do that again. Tap and hold on it, and the dumpster icon is available for us at the top right. Tap on that button, and this kind of pop-up will appear where it says, are you sure you want to delete this message? And it also says also delete for that person. And if you want to do that, tap on the box and tap on delete. You can do that on any message, guys. Tap and hold on it, delete it at the top right, and let's do that again. Tap on delete. And there, guys, this is how to delete sent message on Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.